Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing BlogHunch, a tool that claims to manage blogs, newsletter, digital products and websites all from one place. It's a tool that you can create a blog and also many products that you will market around that blog. So your digital products like course, ebooks, newsletters. The tool gives you a whole environment where you can create a business to sell digital products. BlogHunch is an all-in-one, no-code solution for building websites, managing blogs, and selling digital products. So you can create a business around digital products and blogging on it to bring people to your business. The user interface is awesome. I'm gonna show you, and it's a pretty nice tool to start a business right now with several different integrations. The team is passionate for the tool, and they are giving a nice opportunity on AppSumo at the moment. You're gonna get all future premium plan updates, and you get one site with the license tier 1 with 15 products, 150k active members, subscribers, 5 team members, unlimited posts, unlimited page views. Get license 2, you get more limits and 5 sites. License tier 3, you get 25 sites and more limit. I bought license tier 2 and I'm already working with the tool. You can at the moment collect payments using Stripe, PayPal, and Razorpay. They claim that the tool will be multi-language pretty soon. So let's take a look at BlogHunch. As you can see here, on the dashboard you have your page view, so it's where you're gonna see your statistics, and everything will work here on the left. Create a blog post, just click add new, then you will be on that environment. You can easily change the title right here. You can write some bold, you can highlight any part of your text, and create heading 2 and heading 3. Of course, link anything, create bullet points, order list, a code block code, everything that you can do on a blog. You can embed anything on your website. So if you need to embed an HTML, it will be possible. You can add an image, video, table, insert HTML, and also a gallery. On SEO, you'll be able to add your keyword, meta description, and also change your post URL. On settings, you can see that you can change easily the category, the tags, except post URL, and personalize your content to Twitter, Facebook. Possible to add a table of content by default, which is pretty cool for SEO. For featured image, you can upload an image, or you can easily choose one for Unsplash or GIF. You can add tags, so you can divide your digital products and blog posts by tags, and also categories. You can see it works like WordPress. You will manage your comments here. So every blog post has a comment section where you can be able to approve or reject any comment. You can also create different pages on your website, so you can see that it's easily to personalize them. Here's your privacy policy, and then you have your digital product. You can create newsletter, manage them from here, create series, course, and ebooks, having a store on your own website. About the payment solutions by now, you can connect your payment solution by OpenAI. You can connect Stripe, Razorpay, and PayPal. Well, of course, let's test a new one. And add the descriptions, the about, adding a cover to your featured video as well. Requirements, audience, what you will learn. You can create discount codes to your course pretty easily. Just click here and add your discount codes. By now the currency is only USD. On lesson first, you create your first section. Then you'll be able to add a lesson. Add a title, write your lesson, add a video, as you would be usually writing a blog post. The tool have a section to check your orders, and you see the number of your unpaid orders, paid orders, sales, and total sales amount. As widgets, you can install custom HTML categories. You can change your menu, adding links to it, and also your categories. Here is the analytics that they provide. You will be able to check your subscribers as well. Apps, they have now Facebook Message, Schedule, Popteam, Cook AS, Google AdSense, Intercom, Google Tag Manager, UChat, Hotjar, Google AdSense is pretty interesting if you're blogging. So you can monetize your blog with AdSense, crisp integrations, WhatsApp chat bundle, Talk, and Public Connect. On settings, you will be able to change everything to fully customize your experience. You will be able to add your own custom domain. Also, you can change the colors of your website to with your brand, adding social media, manage your site's SEO settings, your Google Analytics ID, and they have different website teams that you can check. BlogHunch, I think they have all the features you need to start an online business, and it works pretty well to start blogging right out of the box. And I do recommend the AppSumo lifetime deal right now. For only $49, you can start your own blogging and monetize them with Google AdSense and also digital product. I hope you like that review. I have added the best link on the description so you can check BlogHunch by yourself. Thank you so much. Bye bye.